We can remove also this space in page layout section. Okay, we will learn in page layout tab. Don't worry right now. So how we can say using over here, and after that we have the last call a page break preview. Page break preview means what? I want to stop over here. I don't want anything apart from this. So I'm going to click over here and just say page break. See, everything is cut. Only whatever the digit I'm taking 1, 2, 3, it only in my print screen. Let me show you. Go over here in print. You can see only that number. So whatever the cells I have, I just remove that all things. You got my point? Okay, and how we can edit? Again, go to the normal mode. See, everything is visible. I'm just going to the zoom in and zoom out. See, like that. There is option also zoom in and zoom out. Click over that. See, or else you can use your scroll up and scroll button also. It's depend upon to you. Okay, understood? So this is all about layout of Excel. You get my point? Okay, right now I'm stopping because I don't want to start with the home insert and this one. This we will learn in the next class. I know the lot of Baku things we are done and even the surface also new for you. I want to give you a practice right now. Okay, let me stop video and if you are having any doubts, ask me. Okay.